Hello nail peeps and welcome back to Decorate Every Nail You Got. So we are going to be decorating some Christmas nails today. Christmas slash wintry slash whatever, okay? So I thought what I would do is put a base polish down, and I put this, it's kind of a nudie purpley color. I didn't want to go straight up Santa Claus colors, but whatever, I chose this one. Also, you'll see I've made the beginnings of a Santa hat with a, this is a detail brush. And I'm going to be using this color Frozen in order to put the brim and the pom-pom on the top of Santa's hat. And I'm also going to be doing some snowflakes with MXM078. Now, one of my students is forcing me to do this. It's been a minute since I've seen you guys, and I'm sorry for that. I've got a lot going on, so I'm just kind of taking a little bit of hiatus before I come back. And I promised her I would do this, so I'm going to do it over the Christmas break. And student, you know who you are, and this is for you. That cute little Korean heart is for you, okay? Anyway, so let's get started. I'm just going to put my little stone down so I can put some of this frozen color on it. This is the best, like, snowflake color there is on the planet. I'm only going to show you guys one hand, I think, just for the sake of things. Okay, I'm going to put a pom-pom at the top. There you go, little pom-pom. I was thinking about putting a bling on it, but I don't think I will. I love this design. I do this design just about every Christmas. I've never done it, whoa, come on. I've never done it with this color before though. It's always been like a red hat. I'm just putting little circles, or actually big circles, for the brim of the hat, and then I'll fill it in. And then it's gonna look like a Santa Claus hat. Okay, and then the bottom I'll just kind of fill in. I could use a detail brush for this, but why make it easy? When it can be so hard, why make it easy? Okay. Does it look like a Santa Claus hat? Ish. Maybe a little bit higher right here. Right. Get a little love. There we go. That looks like a Santa Claus hat. That's cute. Okay, so I'm keeping that one. Bam, Santy, done. The next thing that I'm going to do is a little bit of stamping with this plate. That's like the weather plate from Maniology, the MXM078. Here is my monocle stamper. Again, I'm going to be using the Frozen color. And I should have put some liquid latex, but I didn't, so my nails are kind of short right now. I've been struggling to keep my nails alive. With my psoriasis, it's gotten really bad, so it makes it really hard to keep up with my nails and keep them doing what they should be doing. Okay. I want to make it look like that, you know, the snow is coming down, so I think that might do the trick. That's cute. Ooh, I likey. Okay, let us continue on with this. And I need to get a sticky somewhere out. I'm just gonna stamp it. Why is nothing working today? Oh my gosh, why is nothing working today? Okay. This for sure will work. Yeah, okay, got it. Boom, on to the next one. We'll clean this guy. And then we will add some more snowflakes. I'm just gonna continue on this way for a little while then. Like I said, I don't need the whole stamp because I'm just trying to make it look like it's falling down gracefully and nicely. Oh, that is cute. I really like that actually. I'm getting a little on my skin. Oh well. It's okay. I'll clean it up later. because I use gel polish, cleanup is actually pretty easy. I just put my top coat on and then clean up afterwards. I got a hair in there and hopefully I scrape it off. I'm trying to make it so that one snowflake is not like in the middle each time, so it looks like it's a little drifting. Yay, it's cute, I like it. I wanted it to be a simple design, you know, as I've gotten old lady-like. I'm old now, folks. As I've gotten older, I don't want to spend 5 hours doing my nails. Well, that's a lie. Sometimes I want to spend 5 hours doing my nails, but not all the time. So I definitely didn't want to spend 5 hours on them today. All right, this is going to be a good one because there we go. So these are, what did I do? You guys, I hit Sandy's hat. Oops, a-la. Let's see what's going on. Can I fix him? Of course I can fix him. Let's not be ridiculous, but. Okay. So there we go. There's Santa Claus's hat and some cute little things. We're gonna have to wait for this to dry a little bit. And I'm gonna finish coloring in the edges. We're gonna have to wait for it to dry a little bit. And then I will be back to show you guys a top coat. Okay, I think everything is sufficiently dry, and you'll notice that I do have some mess, but I'll clean it up after my top coat. So I use the Maniology No Wipe top coat. It's nice and glossy. I'm just gonna put a nice, I like a generous coat, but I know I'm not supposed to give it so thick, but this stuff is thick already, so I try to thin it out. But it ends up being a nice, healthy top coat, if you will. We're just gonna do this for all of our little lovely fingers. I also did my other hand while I was off camera and had some time. This frozen color really, like, very much so sparkles like crazy town once the top coat goes on it. So it's always very eye-catching. Cute little sanding hat. Okay, I'm just gonna finish these up. And then I'm gonna bake them. I say bake them, put them under the LED light for about 45 seconds. What is that black thing in there? Can I just keep doing this and it goes away? Nope, I've got a little bit of black in there and it's just gonna stay there. It's okay, nobody will notice. That's one of the things that I've noticed is that nobody really notices what's on my nails except for me and other nail people, of course. I'm okay with that because when you come across a nail enthusiast, it's nice that they appreciate what you do and you can appreciate what they do. Half the time I see them, my nails look like garbage though. I've been waiting way too long in between sets. Anyway, I'm going to finish these up and then I'll stick them under the LED light for about 45 seconds and I'll show what the finished product looks like. Okay, we're back. I put some acetone on a cotton swab and I'm just going to go around all the edges and it's going to clean them up real fast. So you'll see once I have yuck. Now I don't. It doesn't take but 2 seconds once you get that top coat on to just go through and kind of clean up all the extra ick you had on there. And because the design is protected by gel polish, totally fine, no worries at all. But I am using acetone, so that means I am definitely, look at how it's already dry and crusty. If you have not had the pleasure of smelling the Joyful Jasmine Nail Cuticle Oil by Maniology, like, what are you doing with your life? Can we talk about it for a minute? And by the way, I always put a little excess so I can just rub it all into my hands because it's so good. So yummy, so fantastic. I mean, it's not yummy, don't eat it, but it is just a really, really smell good, luxurious kind of thing for me to have in my life. Gosh darn it. And there we go. Hold on, we'll do a final reveal after we rub in our cuticle oil. Make sure we have all of the goodness in. And then I just let that sit and just enjoy it. So here they are. These are my Santa Claus Christmas/winter nails for this year. And this is going to be out late, so maybe I'll get it out on Christmas Eve. I don't know. We'll see what happens. But people, before I forget, if you love Maniology like I love Maniology, then you might as well go put some stuff in your cart. Use the code GrooveMama to get 10% off of your order. Follow me on Instagram at GrooveMama, and thank you, student. Thank you for reminding me that I actually love this. And I wish you guys a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And until we meet again, I hope you decorate every nail you got. Bye!